Hey everyone. Welcome back to the TechnoLink YouTube channel. My name is Sachin Chetutri. Today, we're talking about BitLocker, a built-in Windows feature that protects your data through encryption. Let's get into what it is and why it's useful. What is BitLocker? BitLocker is a drive encryption tool built into Windows. It locks down your hard drive using advanced encryption so only authorized users can access your data even if the device is lost or stolen. Top uses of BitLocker: encrypts the entire drive, secures all files, system data, and temporary files by encrypting the full drive, protects data from theft. If your laptop or drive is stolen, your files stay safe and unreadable without the password or recovery key. Meets security compliance. Helps businesses comply with data protection laws like GDPR, HIPAA, and more. Secures startup process. With TPM, Trusted Platform Module, BitLocker checks for tampering before Windows boots. BitLocker to go. Extends encryption to USB drives and external storage for secure data on the go. In our previous video, we learned how to use disk management to create and manage partitions. Today, we're taking it a step further. We'll create a new partition and demonstrate how to enable BitLocker encryption, whether it's on your PC's internal drive or an external storage device. This is a great way to see BitLocker in action and understand how it protects your data in real time. Restart the PC and verify the status of BitLocker encryption to ensure data protection is active and properly configured.
1. Right-click on this PC and select Manage. 2. In the Computer Management window, click on Disk Management under the Storage section. 3. Locate the unallocated space on the desired disk. 4. Right-click the unallocated space and choose New Simple Volume. 5. In the wizard, enter the amount of space you want to allocate. Assign a drive letter. Format the volume using NTFS. Recommended. Complete the wizard to create and initialize the partition. A new drive will now appear under this PC, ready to store your data. Two. Enable BitLocker on the new partition. 1. Right-click the newly created drive and select Turn on BitLocker. 2. Choose a method to unlock the drive, e.g., password or smart card. 3. Set a strong password that you can remember. But is hard for others to guess. For, choose how you want to back up the recovery key, save to file, Microsoft account, USB, or print. Five. Select the encryption type. Encrypt use disk space only, faster for new drives, or encrypt entire drive, recommended for old or reused drives. 6. Choose encryption mode. New encryption mode, best for fixed drives. Compatible mode, for removable drives or older systems. 7. Click Start Encrypting and wait for the process to complete. Thank you for watching this guide on creating a partition and enabling BitLocker encryption. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to share them below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and help you with any issues you may encounter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.